Hi, we're looking at what are the common mistakes in an interview. So, we run a few courses on interviews for management entrance as well as for placements in an MBA college. So, one mistake that people do in an interview is speak too less, in a sense, like giving answers like yes and no. Remember in what we should do for cracking the interview, we mentioned that you need to have a discussion. You no need to show that you have knowledge. So there are some answers obviously which will only have yes or no answers. But wherever possible, show your knowledge. It's very important to sell yourself in your interview, right? So avoid speaking in only yes and no wherever possible. Try to bring a few more amount of knowledge about you without trying to digress from the area. I mean, show your knowledge. That's very, very important as far as interviews goes. Try to explain your point of view. If you have a logical point of view, try to explain to them as to why are you saying no, why are you saying yes, for a particular perspective as such, so that they understand that discussion is very important. They also want to see your perspective on things so that they can gauge you. If you are only saying yes and no, that doesn't show a right perspective as such. Also, if you say yes, why, and if no, why. Give that, explain the whole point. That's very important. Even if you don't know answer, for example, there is a question that they ask and if you don't know the answer, but you know something about it. I mean, Instead of keeping on saying no, no, mention, I'm not sure of this answer, but I feel, explain your point of view. It's very important to explain, very important to get a discussion with the panelist. Okay, don't say just no, I don't know, I don't know, I don't know. There are always chance where you have to say no, no, no. That is normally a stress interview where it grill you and make you say no, no, no. But even in those times, try to be relaxed, try to calm yourself, and try to see is there any point that you can bring forward. Okay, for example, they may ask you a point on a topic which is not in your subject, nor in your graduation, nothing, and you are not sure. Mention them. "So this is not what I studied in my graduation, or not part of my syllabus." They might mistake it to be part of a syllabus, but then you can explain them that okay, this is not what was part of my syllabus. Always possible. Or you can say that I'm just a little rusty about it. But it's very important to have a discussion with them and to explain your perspective. And that will help to have a good attitude towards you. I hope it helps. Thank you.